Okay. Don't be afraid about going through. So I mean, if I'm going through a question that you are, how come got? Okay, if you are already know how to do, then it's okay. You can also, I mean, go and look at topic 9. Okay, So the other extra surplus work you can do is you can do the popcorns. You can also do the topic 9 work. Okay, can Okay, so I'll just go through. Now I'm starting on practice set 1 first. Okay, if you need a copy of the practice sets, they are all in the WhatsApp group. Okay, they are all in the WhatsApp group. So you just go under the WhatsApp group, you search under media files. I actually put questions of all the practice set already. Quite a lot of it now. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go through practice set 1. Is it okay? You all just tell me. Do you all need this question? I'll just pause a while. Don't have, then I go on. This one? Don't have. Okay, if you all can on your camera, Kelvin, here's on your camera. Esther also, if you all can. If you need to pour makeup, it's okay, pour makeup first. Okay. So practice set 1, all okay. Okay, how about the people who just need, okay, good idea. Okay, those who need help can raise hand using the Zoom function. Okay, the problem is I cannot see everyone. Okay, maybe you can just text me now. Okay. So far don't have. Okay. Practice set okay, Okay, can. All good, Practice set 2. You all just type in the chat, that will be good. Okay, just type in the chat, that will be good. Okay, I'll make sure you all just look through. Because like end of today, I'll hope that you all can submit. Okay, practice set 2. Question 9 of practice set 2. There's no question 9 though. One student asked for question 9 of practice set 2. I just double check. Can you clarify again which question? Because there's no question 9, right? Is there a question 9? It's A, B, C, D, E, F, right? Which one? Okay, I'm talking about topic 7. Topic 7. Topic 7, not topic 9. Okay, topic 7. Yeah, okay. Topic 7. Okay, this student. Let me check. I received a question, so I'm just going to go through very quickly. Okay, one student asked about, is it E or F? This is E, right? E. Okay, so this basically, okay, can this question be accepted? Okay, take note that for practice set 2, right? Okay, the instruction is to factorize. The instruction is to factorize. Okay, so this is fine. In case you are wondering about this, this is okay also. This is okay too. This is okay. Okay, no issue, right? If that the only difference is you put the minus sign outside, that's okay as well. No issue. Okay, yeah, so that's fine. You're talking about E, right? You're talking about E, okay, can okay, so next one. Any more? Don't have, okay. So relax. Okay, then practice set 3. Practice set 3, any question? Yeah, you can use the raise hand function. You can text me. You can, yeah, I'm just looking at both. Don't have. So far, don't have. Esther, you are smiling to yourself. Is your boyfriend with you? Okay. Ask him don't disturb your math lesson. Okay. 1C, D. Okay. 2A. Have you all marked? Have you all marked? You all
2A.
2A. Okay, thank you. Okay, 2A. Basically, you are asked to. Okay, after I go through, you must remember, after I go through it means that you have marked, you have understood what you went wrong with. Okay, cannot. If you have not marked, do look at the phone solutions. Okay, to look at the phone solution. Okay, so for 2A, you just recall that the factorization, basically, if you recall the last time round, there are 4 methods of factorization. Okay, so first one basically is a common factor. Is common factor. Second one is a multiplication frame, or you can use the MMA method. And the third one is to use algebraic identities. Okay, and the fourth one basically is what we call grouping. Okay, so for this one, right, there are 3 terms. So these 3 terms, right, we will do it using multiplication frame. Okay, or you can be using multiplication frame, or you call it MMA. So depending on which method you are comfortable with, I will just okay, maybe I use the MMA. I think a lot of people use the MMA. Okay, so multiply, add. Okay, 5x squared, that will be the first term. Negative 6y squared, that will be the second term. 13xy will be placed here. Okay, so 5xy, I will put it because 5 is like a prime number. Okay, so 5x squared and x, I'll put it in this manner. Okay, I'll put it in this manner. Then negative 6y squared, I will try to create a 13. So in order for me to create, I know that one number will be negative and one number will be positive. Okay, so what can come to my mind is, I can think about 6 and 1. I can think about 3 and 2. So definitely the bigger number has to be positive. If the bigger number is positive, I can maybe think about 3 and negative 2y. Okay, so 5 and negative positive 3, that will give you 15xy. Oh, apologies, I should take away this x here. Okay, 5x squared is 5x times x. Negative 6y squared, negative 2y times 3y. Okay, then after that, x to minus 2y, that will give me minus 2xy. So negative 2, 15, that will give me a positive 13. Okay. So okay, when I was marking your work, some of y'all, you read the answer differently. So you must remember, after you have this correct, right? The answer is like this. This is one bracket. This is the second bracket. So that means your answer is 5x minus 2y, as well as x plus 3y. Okay, ma? Take note that even though you cross, right, the bracket doesn't follow the cross. The bracket follows horizontally. So this cross, right, is like when you are doing this, right, if you consider that from here to here, right, is factorization, right? From here to here, right, the cross, like if you look at what this cross symbolizes, this cross actually symbolizes like is this part is actually like the cross here, from here to here. You know, it's actually this like here to here. So these two, like the rainbows here, actually refers to the cross here. That's what's happening. Okay, so just be careful. I think when I was marking, some of y'all factorize, y'all went to write 5x plus 3y. Okay, so it's not, it's actually 5x minus 2y. Okay, so just be careful. Just be careful. Okay, can So this is for practice set 3, question 2A. Some of you have asked regarding this. Okay. Okay, I just where's Hadi? Hadi, is this question okay, ma? Okay, okay. I'm going to change slide. So ready, 1, 2, 3. 2B, okay? Okay, thanks for nodding your head. Okay, if 2C. 2C, okay, also very good. Thank you. Okay, practice set 4. Practice set 4, any question? Question 1B, okay. 1A, okay, question, practice set 4. Oh, okay, this question you need, okay. Okay, so, okay, practice set 4. Okay, if you need 1A, okay, where's Yulia? I just double check this question, huh? Yulia, where are you? Oh dear, I can't find you. Yulia. Yulia, this question, right? Correct? This question, 1A, huh?
Yes, 1A.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So for 1A, okay, you must see that, okay, the instruction here, right, is to expand and simplify. So the word expand and simplify basically tells you no need bracket, remove brackets. Remove brackets. Okay. And the answer, what comes out must be basically a sum of terms. Okay. Expand and simplify means you don't have brackets left. So what do? We just expand it. So when you expand this, you can use like algebraic identity. If you don't use algebraic identity, you use normal brute force expansion also can. So when I was marking, some of you did this. I think some of you wrote half x plus 2 multiply by half x plus 2. Okay, and then you expand. That is also okay. This is okay. Or some of you use algebraic identity. That means for this particular term here, what you do is you treat basically half x plus 2 bracket square. You treat this as like a plus b bracket square. And you know that by identity, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that's the placeholder. What is a square? A square, if this is your a, this is your a, then a square will be half x, the whole thing square. Okay, half x, the whole thing square, right? This you must remember is basically half x multiply half x. Okay, it is not half x square, it is 1/4 x square. It is 1/4 because there's a half multiplied by a half. Okay, half multiplied by half is 1/4 x. Ew, what happened? Sorry, give me a while. I think my screen. Something happened, my screen hang. Too long never use. Is my screen still hang? My screen hang, right? Okay, hope all good. Okay, then this is 2ab. 2ab, this will be 2 plus 2 multiplied by half x multiplied by 2. Okay, plus b square. So far, okay? Can, So from here, I go ahead. This will be 1/4 x square. 2 and half, 2 half will cancel off. I get 2x. This one will give me a 4. So this will give me a 4. This will give me 2x. This is just for this portion here. Okay. So after that, I minus this section here. This section here, I'm just going to write it here. Okay, 2x minus half square. Now, if you expand this, you will get 2a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, which is the same as 2x square. 2 half cancel off. This is x plus 1/4. Okay, so you are basically subtracting negative 2x minus half square. This is you subtracting 2x square minus x plus 1/4. Okay, give me a while. Okay, so there are a couple of you, after you did the expansion, right, then you remove the brackets. So do not do that because it will cause your signs to be wrong. Okay, so you remember after I do the square, the bracket is still there. I brought the brackets together, but the bracket is still there. Okay, the bracket is still there. Okay, common mistake, what I saw is, I think, mistake, mistake. One student wrote this, straight away they put minus 2x squared minus 2x plus 1/4 plus 1/2. Okay, this one is wrong. Okay, because the brackets are not there. Okay, the brackets still have to be there. After you do the expansion, the brackets are still there. Okay, the brackets are still there. Now, the next step, after that, I remove the bracket. So here to here, then you remove the bracket. Now, when you remove the bracket, remember you are bringing in minus 2 to x squared, minus 2 to minus x, minus 2 to 1/4. That will give you 1/4 x squared plus 2x plus 4. Copy the first three terms, minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 2 to 1/4 minus half. Okay, now you simplify this, you will get minus 7/4 x squared plus 4x plus 7/4. Okay, so I think that this part is not difficult. You just need to combine x squared, and x squared together. That will give you negative 7/4x squared. You combine 2 and 2, that will give you 4. You combine 4 and negative half, that will give you 7/4. Okay, ma? Can, but what I use here, in case you are not sure, the identity that I use is in topic 7, part 4. I use the fact that when we expand something of this form, a product of a sum, this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. I use the fact that a minus b bracket square, when we expand, is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, again, these are what we call the algebraic identities. They work irregardless of what is a and b. They are called identities. Okay, they are called identities. Okay, Okay, anyone need help with 1b? Is it possible? You appears I just saw. You want to go toilet? Is it? I can go and go. Go here, go. Your own house. Don't need to ask me. It's your house. Okay. Okay. The toilet is yours. Okay. So 1b, anyone need? I just check. 1b, anyone need? I saw a raise hand. Someone raise hand, right? Let me check. Okay, thank you. Thank you for raising hand. Okay, can. So 1b, okay, 1b, the question is like that. Okay, so 1b, if you expand this by brute force, okay, keep your cameras on, okay, as much as possible. Can, okay, so keep your cameras on now. It's also the teacher draws strength from the students also. Okay, so keep your camera on. I have one camera off because that's my iPad. Okay, but for you, can you keep your camera on? Can, okay, so Yulia, you there? Yulia, keep your camera on, can, and show your face if possible. Can, yeah, try to show your full face, show your full face. Easier for me to, it's just for me to see your reaction, okay? So A plus 2B and G. Okay, so this one, right, if you do it, I saw some of you all do it by brute force. Brute force also is not easy, it's not easy. So if you do by brute force, you know that if you do A plus 2B plus 3, A plus 2B plus 3, can, then you're going to get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will be a total of 9 terms. So when we actually do, right, it's quite stressful. It's quite stressful. So is there a shortcut to this? My advice is, okay, actually, you know, when you drink coffee, there's always 3 in 1, 2 in 1. So we can do it the same way. Okay, 2 in 1. Just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. Thank you. Okay, so what I do, I just see this as one term. I see this as one term. Okay, so from here, are you okay if I try to sell you this idea? I treat this like an A. Okay, so because the formula, what am I using here is I am using instead of A and B, I'm calling X and Y. X plus Y square is equal to X square plus 2XY plus Y square. I'm going to use this algebraic identity. Okay, so that's what I'm using here. Okay, so far? Can if 2 lost, you just tell me. So guys, I'm going to treat this as my X, one term. I'm going to treat this as my Y, one term. Okay, so I can say that if this is X and this is Y, then my placeholder will look something like this. It will be look like X squared plus 2XY plus Y squared. Okay, so from here, this is X squared will be like A plus 2B bracket square. 2XY will look like 2A plus 2B bracket 3. Then Y square will look like 3 square. So I'm going to do it this way. Okay, so I split, I chop it up like that. Okay, I chop it up. Okay, it's just that when you cut the watermelon, if you want to cut into 16 parts, you will first cut into 2, then you cut again to make it 4, then you cut again to make it 8. Okay, so we do it very slowly. After that, this part again, I'll expand again. I'll expand again using identity, using the fact that A, same thing, same identity, X plus Y square equals to 2XY, X square plus 2XY plus Y square. So from here, this and this will give me, let me just draw an arrow, A square plus 2AB. So take note, the B here is like 2B, okay? Plus B square. Okay? So for this portion, for this section here, before I break the brackets, I simplify it first. So 2 and 3 can become 6. 2 and 3 can become 6. Okay? Can so after that, positive 6 to A, I combine. This will give me positive 6A. Positive 6 to positive 2B, that will give me positive 12B. 3 square gives me a 9. Okay, one by one, you slowly open the bracket. Okay, the questions are very, very hard. So really take things one step at a time. 2 times A, 2A times 2, 4. 4AB. 2B times 2B, take note this is 2B multiplied by 2B. This is equals to 4B square. Okay, not 2B square. Okay, take note, not 2B square. Okay, can so this is 4B square. Then slowly 6A plus 12B plus 9. Okay, ma? This is question practice set 41B. Practice set 41B. Okay. Okay, raise hand seems like a good function. Okay, so those who okay, you lower your hand first. You lower your hand. Then should I lower your for? Should I lower for you? Can I lower for you? Can lower for you, right? Lower hand. Okay. Okay, now I go to 1C. Anybody want to raise hand? My messages suddenly swarm. Anyone raise? Oh, Hamza raise hand. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. So 1C, for 1C is like that. Okay. Same thing, same thing. I will use the same. So I'll break it up. I'll chunk the term and term together. Okay, I'll chunk the term together. So you see, okay. I'm going to treat this as one term A. And okay, your guys, you see, okay, so don't blink your eyes. This part, what I'll do is if negative A plus B, right? I can write it as negative of A minus B. Okay with y'all? Okay with y'all? Okay, so the reason is because in a sense, right, positive B, right, is like negative times negative. Okay, so I pull out a negative sign. So what I would like you to see is that the reason why I'm saying this is because it applies here. It applies here. Okay, I'm going to apply here. That I'm going to write this as S minus 2t minus 3. Okay, one chunk term by itself. I'm going to purposely write this as S plus 2t minus 3. Is that okay? So what can you see? You can see like conjugates. Hey, are y'all paying attention now? How y'all see y'all smiling to each other? Trini, Nadine, are y'all okay? Y'all smiling at boys or y'all smiling at? Okay, don't be a pervert. Okay, so pay attention. This is being recorded. Okay, so okay, so 2t minus 3, 2t minus 3. This one can be like my B lor. Okay, ASS, this one can be my A. So it really looks something like that. Okay, ma? So the identity that I use when you simplify A plus B, A minus B, what does that give you? That will give you A square minus B square. Okay, that will give you A square minus B square. Algebraic identity. The algebraic identity you try to memorize. Magnus, keep your camera on if you can. Okay, let me see your handsome face. Okay, some of you seem to have grown taller. Looks like it. Yeah. Okay, so from here, I'm going to use the same placeholder. The placeholder, guys, is A square minus B square. So it means that this is A square minus B square. Okay, so far? Can So from here, this is the same as, again, once you open the bracket, don't release. Okay, don't release. So when you expand, the bracket does not disappear. The bracket is still there because multiplication comes after you just keep the integrity of the bracket. This one, again, I use A minus B bracket square. A square minus 2AB. Oh, shit, not enough space. Okay. Plus B square. Okay. So this is A square. 4t 2 times 2 4 times 3 12 12t plus 9. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so from here s square minus 4t square plus 12t minus 9. Okay, so far boleh mah? Okay, okay, some of you look like you're copying, so I pause a while. Okay, Hamza, okay? Are you okay? Can okay, this one. Anyone need help with 2A? 2A, 2B, 2C. 2A don't have. No one raise hand. Okay. 2B? 2B, anyone? Call once, call twice. Don't have. Jingkai raise hand. Okay, good. 2B, right? I just double check. 2B, okay, thank you. So Okay, so 2b is like that. Okay, so actually this one looks very, very difficult. So what I want to show you is this one, right? Okay, so the keyword is to factorize. So if I think about my 4 factorization method, could be common factor, could be identity, could be frame, could be grouping. So what I want to sell to you is this one is actually a square. It actually looks like a square. It's an a square. This one, you can think of it as 2ab. This one is b square. Okay. But what does, if this is a square, what would a look like? What would a look like? Definitely, it's not easy to see, but I want to sell to you actually, this one, to know that what is a, right? Okay, very simple. You square root, you think of it, it's actually like 3x square square. Oh shit. It's actually 3x square square. Okay, it looks like that one. It's 3x squared. It's actually, this is the A. Okay, what is the A? 3, because if you see this one, right, you work backwards, this is like A times A squared. So the 3 times 3 will give you the 9. The x squared give you the power 4. So moral of the story is you square root, right? You must square root both terms. Square root 9, square root x power 4. That will give you x power 2. Okay, so far? Can, huh? So next one, after that, what is this? This will be negative 2 a, right? A, so a is 3x squared, correct? What is b? So to look at b, right? If you look at this, right, what do you think is your b? Same thing, you square root 25, you get 5. You square root y square, you get y. It actually b square looks like that. Okay, ma? So your b, same thing, would be this one, 5y. And you can see that 2, 3, 5 looks like a 30. You must verify that it works. Must verify that it works. Okay. So after you have done this, you know that it's basically a square minus 2ab plus b square. When you factorize it, it's supposed to give you a minus b bracket square. So that's what I do. I write down my answer. I write down a minus b bracket square. Then I'm done. Okay. The important part is to be able to recognize the frame. Okay. 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 So far, all good. I move on. I move on. If I'm too fast, you just shout out to me. Okay. Okay. What is this? 2B. 2C. Okay. For 2C. Okay. Would anyone like me to run through 2C? If it's okay, you just raise hand. Jing Kai, I lower your hand first. Is it called is for 2B or is it for 2C? Okay. Oh, a lot of people. Okay, very good, very good. Thank you. Okay, so okay, 2C. Okay, 2C is very, very hard. It's very, very, very hard. Okay, it's very, very hard. Okay, it's super, super hard. Okay, so it's very it's normal. If you don't know how to do, don't feel depressed. Okay. Hamza, you okay? You okay? What happened? You like someone, it's like some Mike Tyson punch you, you dizzy. Okay, so this one, okay, I want you all to think of this as a square and think of this as b square. Okay, because 4 is a perfect number. You know, 4, like if you square root 4, you get 2. So it looks like something. Your room very cold. Okay, 2. Then x minus y plus 1, you square. Okay, so this whole thing is like a square. Okay, it's square. So it looks something like that. This it's like a square minus b square. Okay, if this is your b square, right? Then okay, the b looks like this one. The b actually is like 2x minus y plus 1. Because remember, you square root 4, you square root this term also. You get x minus y plus 1. Let me know if it makes sense to you. Let me know if it makes sense to you. So it looks like a, it's supposed to give you something like this. It will give you a plus b bracket A minus B. Okay, it's supposed to give me something like this. Okay, because I'm using A square minus B square. I recognize this format, this template. Okay, so this is my A. This is my A. Okay, I'm going to write it here. Plus B. So this is my B. Minus, this is my B. Be careful to leave the brackets there. Okay, if you remove the bracket, you may get mistake. Okay, because this whole entity here is your B. You must copy term for term, word for word. Okay, once again, if you never see, okay, sorry, this whole thing, that is the B. Oh shit. Okay, this is the B. This whole thing is the B. This whole thing is the B. This one is the A. This one is the A. And this is a plus. This is a minus. That's how I'm using this formula. Okay? Can? Now within the brackets, you simplify first. Within the bracket, you simplify first. Not to worry. Okay, within the bracket, simplify first. Okay, so next step, simplify within or simplify inside the brackets first. The brackets first. Okay, so 2x minus 2y plus 1. You eventually this side you're going to get I think 3x. Sorry. You're going to get 3x minus y plus 1. This side also you simplify. Eventually you will get minus x plus 3y minus 3. And you are done. That's the answer. Sometimes you see math working, they put a square. Square means I'm done. Okay, okay, that's for 2C. That's for 2C. Okay, Ew, what happened? Okay, now I go to practice set 5. Okay, I'm left with about 10 minutes. Okay, I might not be able. Okay, maybe before let me go through something with you all first. Okay, I'm left with about 10 minutes, so I'll probably do practice set 5 later. Okay, all still with me? You all need to, okay, you need to just stand up, stretch a bit or whatsoever. Okay. Okay, can I start? Okay, so okay, this one is the overview slides. So I'm going to share with you all. We have some slides later on. I'll share. Okay, so the topics to cover for semester 2, basically the first week is algebraic manipulation. So this week I'll basically be going through all the different practice set and assignments okay, as much as possible. Today I only managed to do practice set 1 to 4. Then later on I see if I have time. I try to do another question from practice set 5. Okay, so number patterns, that will be topic 8. Topic 9 is anger management. So we did a bit, you did a bit of the SLS, right? Correct. So if you are ready, you can also do the practice set. I know some of you all did the practice set. Okay, so I'm going to put the practice set. Topic 10. Topic 10 is a long topic. So you can see that there are 4 weeks given. Under topic 10, you will see 10A, 10B, 10C. Okay, it's under mensuration. Okay, can so okay. If you are absent from lesson, inform a math tutor, or your math tutor to be recorded. Okay, so this one is a generic set of slides. Okay, but for me, usually what I'll do is I'll record the lessons. I'll try to record every single lesson. Okay, unless the lesson is like sensitive or whatsoever. Okay. Okay. So if you need an extension for homework, please tell your math tutor at least 3 days before the submission. Okay, I think as much as possible, you have gone through a semester. If you have watched the year 8 video this morning, so also just a reminder, I mean, you try to stay ahead of your work. Otherwise, it will cause you a lot of stress. Okay, end of the year, I mean, if you like we don't want a situation where you like consistently never do your work, then like the teacher have to scold you, and then I have to come after you, and then like at the end of the year, end up you cannot promote or you cannot go to year 2, then that's a very nasty situation. Okay, and most important, what I want to tell you all is this. Okay, a lot of times what the teacher want to see in our school is not results. What we want to see is effort. And attitude is more important than the result. It's okay to do the practice set and all question wrong, but it's not okay to don't hand up at all. Okay, because if you don't hand up, then it will make us think that, wow, why like that? Is he too cannot be bothered to do? Is he not respecting the homework or whatsoever? Okay, and we actually know one. I mean, sometimes I never scold you, but when I look at the G classroom, I know you are those that never submit. You do need to be aware of yourself. You need to be aware of yourself. You need to motivate yourself a bit. Okay, the motivation has to come from you because you are old enough. I mean, you are 30 years old. I cannot be telling you like how to study, that kind of thing. Okay, hey, stop playing with your display. Okay, please show me your normal face. Okay, some of you got sunglasses, some got mustache one. Okay, so do your so really try your best. If you need extension, you let me know. But sometimes we only got 4 hours a week. I may not be able to go through every single question in class, so I try to record. But you must also try your best. Okay, you must also give me your 100%. It means that in class, if you are struggling, right, then all the more you must push yourself to stay awake and really pay attention and ask questions. Okay, can okay. Okay, console is as usual. So for those of you who did not pass your quiz 2, automatically you are in console. Okay, so please make sure that you turn up for console lessons. Okay, Thursday is the first one already. Okay, Thursday is the first one already, 1st of July. Okay, so please make sure you are there. So those of you who fail console, do attend. Can Okay. Upcoming assessments. Okay, problem solving task. There's a problem solving task this Thursday. Okay, so we'll be using it, okay, to go through one worksheet. It was supposed to be term 2 week, I think week 10, but we didn't do in the end. Okay, so please make sure that you're prepared. Okay, what you need to do, bring your notes. Okay, bring your notes. It's an open book. Okay, can you all pay attention to this? Very important. Write it down in your diary or your journal or somewhere where you keep track of your homework. Okay, 1st of July, Thursday, there's a small problem solving task. It's a very small percentage. Okay, but you need to be able to do it. Okay, you need to do it. Okay, can open book. Okay, open book. Okay, I think the percentage not very high. Individual. Okay, but you what am I saying is you must bring your open book. You must bring your materials. Can Hadi got it? Can let me see. Where's Kadam? Kadam? Where are you, Kadam? Is Kadam here? Kadam is not here, right? Kadam is not here, right? Can you help me check? Nabil, can you help me check Kadam here? Kadam is not here. Was he here for the previous lessons?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Not someone from the
He was here for mother tongue.
He was here for mother tongue.
Yeah.
Can sir? Okay. Okay, can. Okay, can. Never mind. Okay, never mind. Okay. Then okay, G classroom. I just checked for icon. Are you all inside already? All inside already, huh? Okay, so take note. We are not using the NJC one anymore. Okay, we're not using the NJC one anymore. But your outstanding topic 7 homework, please submit to the NJC one. Okay, so officially this one is from topic 8. Okay, so those of you who want to submit your topic 7 work, please still do on NJCG Classroom. Clear? Clear, Hamza? Can Trinis, Esther, Natalie, Pierce, Max? Can make sure you are clear. Okay, so just make sure help me to submit on topic 7 work, submit on NJCG Classroom. Topic 8 onwards will be collecting from Icon. You'll be collecting Icon. Icon is the MOE portal lah. It's like I also have an Icon email. All of us have Icon. All teachers still have Icon. Can so just make sure admin wise we are clear. Okay, so you all are not lost. Okay. Okay, practice set 5, assignment 1, assignment 2. I'll be doing it on Friday, so I'll require assistance. Okay, on Thursday lah, if we have time. Thursday, if have time, as well as Friday, please bring your topic 7, practice set 5, assignment 1, assignment 2, as well as topic 7 popcorn. Okay, can you all just remind each other? Try to avoid situation where I never bring that kind. So it will slow you down. Okay, so good habits go a long way. Okay, please make sure you write it down. Math lesson this week is all going through topic 7 work. Okay, except for Thursday. Thursday will be the performance task. Friday will be going through work again. Clear? Clear? Okay. Okay. If not, that is all for today. If you have any question, okay, Mula, are you there?
Yes.
Mula, your camera on? Possible to on your camera? Can okay, so just a reminder for Friday, please bring your practice set 5, assignment 1, 2, and topic 7 popcorn. Mulan, you asked me some questions regarding popcorn, so help me to bring your popcorn on Friday, huh? Can Maxine okay? Trinis okay? Liling okay? Okay, can't see Liling's face. Okay, can okay, if not, that's all for today. Thank you. Y'all are meeting your LA teacher later, right? It's a new teacher, y'all know?
Yeah.
I mean she's not new to NJC, but she's new to y'all. Okay, so she's a very nice teacher. Okay, I think is it Miss Claire, right? Miss Claire Low, right? So be nice to her. She's a very, very nice person. She used to be 101 PMs in the previous year also. Previous years. Okay. Okay. That's all. Have a good day and see you in school. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.